In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a habit tracker in Notion. We'll start by setting up the database. Open Notion and create a new page, then give it a clear title like Habit Tracker so it's easy to find later. Inside that page, type /database and choose inline to add a small table directly on the page. Name this database something like My Habits. If you prefer a cleaner look, click the three dots in the top right corner of the database and select Hide Database Title so only the table shows. By default, Notion may add properties you don't need. Go ahead and remove the tags property to keep things simple. Now add a date property and name it Date so each row can correspond to a specific day. Then add a checkbox property for each habit you want to track, such as read, exercise, and journaling. Each day, you'll check these boxes to mark what you completed. Next, let's add an optional progress calculation to see your daily completion rate at a glance. Click the plus sign to add a new property, choose Formula, and name it Progress. In the editor, paste a formula like this, replacing the placeholder names with your actual checkbox property names. Round, prop. Habit 1, to number, plus prop. Habit 2, to number, plus prop. Habit 3 inches, to number, 3 * 100, 100. Make sure the denominator matches the number of habits you're tracking. Click Done. Then click the Progress Properties name, choose Edit Property, set the number format to %, and change the display to a progress bar. This gives you a visual indicator of how much you completed each day. Finally, customize your view so it's easy to stay on top of your habits. Click the Add View button at the top of the database to create alternate ways to see your data. For a weekly overview, select Gallery and switch the layout to small cards so more days fit on the screen. Click Properties and toggle on the details you want to see on each card, like your habit checkboxes and the progress bar. To focus on the current week, click Filter, select Date, and set it to this week. Now, every card represents a single day this week, letting you quickly scan which habits were completed and how you're trending overall. That's it. You've set up a clean, flexible Notion habit tracker, complete with daily checkboxes, an optional progress bar, and a weekly gallery view for quick reviews.